Welcome traders to yet another educational video of Nifty Analysis, episode number 7. In my previous video, I had mentioned that if Nifty spot closes below 10,900 levels, then we could test 10,820, 10,750 and even 10,650. So we saw the first two levels getting achieved comfortably. The third level, I think we made a low of almost 10,670 and the 20 points were missed, but that is what happens in the market at times. Now, today has been a very big green candle. It is a huge rally in the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and possibly in many of the indexes. The question is, have we bottomed out? The question is the one-day rally which has been initiated today. Will it continue or it is just a whipsaw? To analyze that, first we should be going to the higher time frames, which is the weekly chart. Now in the weekly chart, this is a similar sort of level where consistently we have seen buying coming through many weeks. We have seen this first candle, second, third, fourth, all these candles, in fact, all of them had very big wicks on the downside. All right. Now, this particular candle, especially now today, the market has not yet closed. All right. So we will come to know only after 3:30 what sort of candle we have in the weekly chart. But as of now, it seems that it is a huge candle in terms of size, and even the color of the candle is green. So it is a very good news. It seems possibly that we might have hit a bottom, but we will only come to know. We can only decide it if we analyze even the shorter term charts, which is the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, the first thing I like over here is the trend line breakout in RSI. This is a very good breakout. The second thing which I like in price is this breakout. This is a smaller trend line. All right, this is a smaller trend line, but this particular breakout is also giving confirmation to the bullishness which is present in the weekly charts. In my previous video, I had also mentioned that the shorter term charts, the daily charts were showing that we are range bound and we could either go up or down, but the larger time frame weekly charts were always bullish, and that is what has been continuing till now. Now coming to the main point, is this rally very, you can say, a very strong rally, and will it continue or not, right? We need to come to a conclusion which is that particular level which is going to be the decider level. According to me, 11,250 is a very crucial level. All right, 11,250 is a very crucial level. If we close above 11,250 and we sustain for at least couple of days, then possibly we could hit 11,340. We could hit 11,000, possibly 450, 11,670, and might be also 11,700. But all these levels will only come if we close convincingly above 11,250 and sustain above it for a couple of days. Now, this was about the levels. Now, what about the volatility? Whenever market rises by a very wide margin in a single day, the volatility always shoots up. So as of now, if you try to buy stocks, or even if you try to trade in indexes, you will find the stop losses are extremely big, extremely huge. So your risk has also gone up. So if you are going to trade in any of the stocks, you need to be careful and you need to cut down on the position sizing. Because in case if this breakout does not work out and if your stop losses get hit, then you might not lose out by a very wide margin, right? Because this is a huge candle and it has increased the overall volatility in the market. We cannot forget that. All right. The weekly charts are looking good. As of now, market has not closed. It's still 12:38. Market is still going on. We can see Nifty is trading at 11,210, 11,212. We need to close convincingly above 11,250 and sustain above it for a couple of days. Only then these levels which I mentioned in the video will be achieved. If you like my video, please do like it and share it with others so also others can take benefit of that. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. So whenever next time, if I post a new educational video, you will be informed immediately. Trade well.